Hey guys, welcome back to one more video. 3 videos, one day, different days. I know. I just got done filming my Hush palettes review slash haul. So I have another haul for y'all, and it's this one right here. So one of y'all had recommended and told me to do a haul on the Always Me. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I'll go ahead and leave the name right here. I don't know how you pronounce it. I do not care if I say it wrong, okay? Because some of y'all go crazy when I pronounce the name wrong. But this is pretty much like Shop Miss A and JB Eves. It's just a different site, but it's pretty much the same thing. So I placed my order on Sunday. Obviously, Memorial Day, they did not ship it out because it was Memorial Day, but they shipped it out on Tuesday, and 2 days later, I received it. I was pretty excited because gosh, man, this shipping on these places, it is amazing, guys. I think you get free shipping over 35 or 25 products. Kind of the same thing as Shop Miss A, but you do get free shipping. Oh, I paid $3.95 for shipping. So my total was $22. I ended up paying $26. So I think, yeah, you have to pay like $35, $25 to get free shipping. But I ended up paying $26. So they pack everything in a box, but it was in a USPS packaging. So this is how it came in here. This is the first time, like I said, I ordered from here. Gosh, everything's so well packed. Ooh. So this is how it came. That is so neat. Well packed. Individually packed everything really well. So the first one that I'm really excited about, it is this one from Amuse. And this one, I think it costs, okay, this was $2, guys. $2. This is their fire one. They have another one that's almost all greens and blues. This is their fire palette. This is from Amuse. Like, guys, look at this palette. It's pretty big. It is pretty big. So these are all the colors. I obviously got it for this one and this one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch those two colors and some shimmers. But look at these colors. I think I'm gonna build up that yellow. This is 2 swatches right here. That is pretty pigmented for $2. That is pigmented. So this was $2 once more. I have to keep repeating that because it is amazing that it was only $2 and is that pigmented. Okay, so I was so super excited to get these because Shop Miss A been sold out so bad on these palettes. Like, bad. So these are all the Amuse palettes that I ordered. I got this one, which is Tempress. I got this one, which is Burgundy palette. I know Shop Miss A sells this one, but they've been sold out for the longest. And this one, it is the bronze palette. They're pretty big. This is Paradise, and this is Daredevil. But these retail for $1.50, 50 cents more than Shop Miss A. But I don't have time to be waiting on Shop Miss A. It's just crazy. So this is the Burgundy palette. And again, I'm always impressed with Amuse because all their eyeshadow palettes are just amazing. Okay, this one popped out. It's just, I just have to glue it back on there, no problem. Or it seems like they're all mattes. But this is Tempress. Again, it is pretty pigmented. The one I was really excited for, it is Paradise. It just looks like this. Okay, so these are the colors. That yellow just, I got it wet and it just does not want to come out. But guys, look at that burgundy blue and look at this blue. The sky blue, but mostly the burgundy blue. Okay, so this one is Daredevil. It just looks like this. These are the swatches. The last one is Bronze Palettes. And it just looks like this. And these are the swatches. That shimmer shade, that is pretty. It's so gorgeous. Oh, I have one more for Amuse. The Amuse number 3 palette is Burning Amber. And it just looks like this. It's a little bit tiny and smaller. I think this one was $1 if I'm not mistaken. They're not that pigmented. This one caught my attention a lot. This is kind of like the Princessa eyeshadows. This is the Wet and Dry Baked Shadow from Clean Color American Icon. And this one, it is in gold. It does not feel soft as the Princessa ones. But I think I'm going to have to scratch off the top layer. Order the City Color Photo Chic Concealer Quad. And this one is in medium 2. And it just looks like this. It's just a little bit tiny little thing. And you do get 3 concealer shades. And this one is a Skin Color Powder. Which is this one. Pretty pigmented. But I guess I'll use this just to clean up my brows. I did order one of the Beauty Treats glitters. This is a Glamour Glitter. And I thought it was going to be only one color. This is in 326. But it seems like it's mixed. Just looks like this. Obviously y'all can't see it that well, but it's mixed with silver glitters. I did get 2 pigments. This is from Clean Color. This is Vineyard, and this one is in Honor this. I don't know how to pronounce that word. There you go. This is a little bit of swatch. It's a horrible shot, a horrible swatch, but it's just I just can't take out the pigment out. So the next one is Vineyard. It is like a purpley color. It just looks like this. I was not lying when I said these are pigmented. These are pigmented. I think for $1 they are super good. And you get a lot of product in here. And there's these big old pigments right here.
These big old pigments right here.
They're big for $1. And it just comes like this. It kind of reminded me of the LA Colors pigments. Wow. Oh my god, these. And it's just snap on. But this one, it is in. These are their shimmer eyeshadows. This one is of soft gold. This one is in aquamarine. Wow, it does smell like that cheap kind of powdery smell. That was my favorite one. It does have that hint of gold to it, and man, that smells like old lady. And this one, it is in orange coral. So these are all the 3 shades. I think I'm gonna have to go back and get the rest of them. But these are super pigmented for $1. Oh my god. The last 3 products that I did purchase are all from Amuse. I'm like Amuse obsessed. So I think these are new in their line. They're liquid lipsticks. This one is in 262B. It just looks like this one, and 2062B. So both are 2062B. So I do not know what colors they are, but they just look like this. So this burnt brown, kind of had to build it up, but I love both colors. They're so beautiful. And the next one, it is their matte liquid lipstick. It is in Taurus. Look at that shade. It's like a pinky nude. That is beautiful. This is in Taurus. I know they have like all your horoscope names, so that's why I got Taurus. I'm not Taurus, but other than that, guys, I do recommend this website. I love the way that they shipped everything in a box, well packed, like everything was very well bubble wrapped. I do recommend 100% the shimmer shadows. They have does not say how many grams are in here, but gosh, man, you get a lot of product in here for $1. And I was so excited that at last I could get almost all their, you know, their little palette collection right here. I really want to go ahead and try that out because I really do really recommend Burgundy palette and their Paradise palette, mostly because of that blue that is so pigmented. And the Burgundy palette, I just love burgundy colors. Like, yeah. I do not recommend this little itty bitty one. That is horrible. But 40 for sure. Get their fire palette. This one for $2. I don't think it is amazing. Just that yellow is just a little bit. Oh no, it was the other yellow. Okay, this yellow you have to build it up, but it's pretty well. I think if you want to play with colors a little bit around and everything, I think this one is pretty good. But other than that, thank you to the subscriber that recommended this website. Y'all been bugging me also about this website, so that's why I ordered a little bit of stuff. So I'm gonna have to go back and purchase some more things. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for this haul. I hope y'all enjoyed it and kind of help you out kind of what's around this haul. They do have dollar makeup and they have over $1 makeup, but they're kind of like the same thing as JB and Eve's. Same thing. You just find cheaper stuff in different websites, so be careful on the prices because somewhere they can have for $2 and somewhere else they can have it for $3, $4. So you just have to be careful where do you get your stuff at. But I think for 50 cents more, these are, I mean, if you don't want to wait on Shop Miss A, I don't know where in the world they're going to restock. But if you've been wanting them and you want almost different colors from Amuse, this is the way to go. 50 cents more, I did not mind paying for it because I just couldn't wait. I've been waiting for Shop Miss A for a long time. I could just not wait anymore. But other than that, I'll go ahead and leave their website in the link below if you want to check it out. And yeah, guys, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comment below. But their shipping was super good. It was amazing. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. And I'll go ahead and see y'all on my next video. Bye, guys.